This is just a bike check. DK Barnes, ODI grips, DK Crazy 8 handlebars, Eastern choker 3-stem. It's a 2-piece clamp. Giant Method 1 forks. Just big Kenda cover tire, street tire. The Alienation rim. I have no idea what kind of chain this is, but it's hollow pin. Kate Sound 22 tooth rocket. I painted it. Stolen mob cranks. GT stock seat. Millionaire seat clamp, I think. DK headset. Narco Aries frame. And the back rim, I'm not sure what it is, but that hub is GT. So this bike is 100% customed. 21 pounds. And I'll be doing some bike videos soon. But once my shoulder gets better, because I just separated it. So yeah. I'll be doing a review on this Sabrosa Tyro 2011. Which, as you can see there, the paint's just worn away. So yeah, this is about it. The frame, before I got it, had an unsealed bottom bracket, and I don't know if you can see, but we put the sealed bottom bracket in. So 21.9 or something, I say 22. So yeah.